Is Windows failing to load because of the wweb32 DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the corruption and have the fix ready. Don't let wweb32 slow you down. The automated repair toolkit is available in the description. This is the wweb32, a specialized Windows Web 32-bit shim, often utilized by system components to manage unmanaged routines for web-integrated shell features. It facilitates the orchestration of background network data link manifests and coordinates visual UI data links. Since we've identified what's missing, let's try the official recovery method. Because wweb32 DLL is tied to the localized system shim runtime inside a specific application standard, Windows fixes will not help, and you must use the official installer for your primary program to restore the file. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. A simple restart can resolve file in use errors that mimic a missing wweb32 message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Since that didn't resolve it, let's pivot to step 3 to address the root cause directly. If you need to pause the video to get your workspace ready, take your time. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ Redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. Please use caution. Replacing wweb32 DLL manually often requires elevated permissions that, if mishandled, can leave your system architecture vulnerable to external exploits. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. If background initialization issues occur, the link in the description provides maintenance information related to wweb32. I'm Sophie Chen. If this guide resolved the DLL error preventing wweb32 from launching, please subscribe for more verified engineering fixes.